everyone and welcome to today's video. In this video we're gonna have a lot of fun playing on our head joint. So the first thing you need to do is go for your head joint to make sure you can play the game with us. What is going to happen? In a minute on the screen will appear a rhythmical exercise. First we're gonna clap the exercise. We're gonna read the exercise on ta, titty and to. When we can clap and read the exercise, we're gonna take our head joint and we're gonna play these beautiful rhythmical songs on the head joint, but in a very special way. Every time we see a quarter note, we're gonna play it like this. We're gonna put our hand straight and make this sound. When you see 8 notes, the titty notes, you will have to blow on your head joint opened up. No hand, the hand is gone, like this. This is a titty. When you see a half note, we're gonna do something really special. We're gonna move our hand like this. This is for the to. So when we see ta, we play. Do we see titty, we play. And do we see to, we go. Right? Okay, are you ready? Let's have a look at the first rhythmical exercise. Let's clap it together. Here we go. Clapping and reading on ta, titty and to. I count till 2. 1 and 2. Ta, ta, ti, 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 ta, ta, to. Very good. Now we're gonna play it on our head joint. Remember the movement of the hands. Here we go. Ta closed, titty open, to, a special movement. 1 and 2. Wonderful! Let's do another one. First we're gonna clap and read. Let's see if we can do it from the first time. I count till 2. 1 and 2. Ta, ti, 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 ta. Ta, sh, to. Wonderful. So now we saw that in this song there is a silence, so we cannot play or clap in this beat, right? So I cannot hear anything there. Now we're gonna play it on the head joint. Here we go. 1 and 2. Wonderful, guys. Very good. I have one more left. Let's have a look. Are you ready to clap it? Here we go. 1 and 2. Ti, ti, ta. To. Ta, ti, ti, to. Now we're gonna play. This is the last one, guys. Come on, we can do this. The titty open, ta closed. We have 2 toes. So we need to 2 times make this special effect on the head joint. Here we go, starting with titty. 1 and 2. Wonderful, guys, well done. I had a lot of fun. I hope you had a lot of fun too. Prepare these songs and maybe in your next flute lesson you can surprise your teacher. Have a wonderful day and I hope to see you very soon. Bye!